Air New Zealand's announcement of proposed changes to the baggage allowances for passengers has caused a stir from passengers from Niue and also in the Pacific. The changes will see a switch from a system where passengers' luggage was determined by weight, but the new system will now focus on how many pieces each passenger is allowed. This latest change, says Air New Zealand agent Pelini's Travel, is a proactive move towards Air New Zealand operations becoming more environmentally sound and to go in line with other airlines worldwide that have already incorporated these measures. In a special talkback show yesterday, travel agents further explained these arrangements so people will be aware of the changes and what to expect once it is enforced starting from the 26th of May. One example given was that passengers are now allowed one piece for free, which will be up to 23 kilos. An additional piece will incur a cost of $75, up to another 23 kilos. A third piece will be an additional $250, and costs get higher with each piece. Some fragile items, however, that passengers usually take, such as stickers, brooms, car seats, prams, and other cultural handicrafts, will not be included as additional pieces, and carry-on baggage allowances will remain the same. It is hoped that with more awareness, passengers will understand and follow these new changes. Pelini's Travel Agency also open up their office and welcome passengers to pop in for any further clarifications. And all shall be revealed next week when the changes are implemented.